Extra large, 19 by 12 by 20 by 15.5 triangle massage bolster. Firm foam for extra support. Polyurethane cover for easy cleaning. This is a professional use massage bolster for LMT. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. 19 by 12 by 20 by 15.5 triangular knee, back rest bolster. The cushion comfortably supports your client in an incline position and is an ideal therapy tool for under the knee support for neck, shoulder, face and upper body massage techniques. It can be used any time you need to change the angle of a body part for easier therapeutic access. Top reviews from the United States. My knee pain is gone, quality product. I noticed I would get knee pain after a hard day's work when I would come home and just want to relax. Anytime I put my feet up and my legs stayed straight for any amount of time, my knees would begin to get a dull, annoying ache. I tried putting pillows under my knees, and it helped, but it wasn't perfect.